Anna! Anna!
Is that?
Hey, go! Keep going!
Can you drive? I just said drive! What's that for here? What I do with my boyfriend? Come on, you're mad. Don't go to me, Chris. You're mad. You're mad. What do you do with my boyfriend? You're mad.
Stop! Baby! Stop! No! Oh! Stop! No, now!
Okay, you won't go sell the goat.
Yes, it's my own.
No, you don't go sell them. You go chop this goat till you go choke you.
Ooh.
I'm not agreeing with
goat, you go choke me?
Yes.
My own goat?
Give me the goat.
This goat is now mine, and I can do whatever I like with the goat. Leave my goat for me!
You got this goat, you must chop until the choke you die. I mean, you want goat? You request for goat, Abi? The goat will kill you. Come on, give me the goat. Give me
Lie. You see this goat? It's for me.
Baby, I was coming to your house.
Yes, just coming from your place. I heard what happened.
And stay away from her. She's a total condemnation.
Nai Clement, whatever might have happened, please, it's okay. Supposed to go. Huh?
No. I told you before, stay away.
Baby, he wants to go and sell the goat.
Let him be.
And because of you.
Thank you, I appreciate. Please let him be. Right? Let's go. Come, let's go.
If I catch you near my boyfriend again, what I go do you? See this the one I do you? You go this small, how about what I go do you? I don't know again. Come here.
What is all this?
Mama, what all these bruises on your body neck?
Who did this for you?
Papa, it's right now. On my way to go and get the money because I was staying at home. That's why she saw me and started beating me because of Anna.
So all these bruises on your body neck? You mean you already did this to you?
Yes, Mama.
Hannah again. So all these bruises are on your body neck. What are you doing?
You don't come. Yeah. Make una one on a picking if she near my boyfriend again. What I go do am? You see this blood wey full her body, now small compared to what I go do am. I go bury her body alive if I catch any my man again.
You mean you did this to my daughter because of her Hannah? Must you beat up every girl in this village because of her Hannah?
Who they follow the speak English? When you're picking, oh, you dey open eye, they look me. When you're picking, I'm not well, oh.
Urena. So after beating my daughter, there. You still have the guts to pursue her to my presence and start talk to me anyhow, talk rubbish and nonsense.
Yes, I came to finish what I started. Instead of una to train una picking how to use her waist, take farm, take thing the soil. Una train them how to use her waist to the packet people boyfriend. You see this her waist. If I catch any my man, I go break her waist. I go kill him. Yes.
Urena.
Yes.
If I hear one pen from your mouth again,
it is a fair. What do you want to do? What do you want to do?
You want to know what I will do?
And where do you think you're going with that food flask? Mama, I thought you were in the shrine. Is that why you're stealing my food to go and give to that your useless boyfriend?
Mama Biko, you can insult me all you can. But you see Ahana, my boo, don't insult him. I will not take it.
Ahana, your boo. Urena, do you know you have a special duty to this village when I'm gone? Do you know that this duty you have is more important than this your Ahana? This your Ahana, your boo. Do you know that?
Mama, I have told you and everyone that cares to listen that whatever duty that is required of me, if Ahana is not part of it, I am not carrying it out. I not go do am.
Urena, shut up your mouth. You daughter of iniquity. What is wrong with you?
Urena, beautiful soul, but her life is full of determination and the love. Onya kuchikwana yesiya makoni webiwe. She believe in herself. Heart of rascal, she is ready to do anything just to make her love moving. Okay, mayor. Urena, heart of a rascal, the heart of a rascal. She don't send you, she don't send your papa. Anyhow you want her, she go give you. Urena, no send anybody. The heart of a rascal, she don't send you, she don't send you.
I was told you asked to see me.
Sit.
Thank you, my princess.
I invited you over to look at the handsome man that designed the ultra-modern markets that my father is going to be building for the kingdom. I believe he's going to be one of its kind because this handsome man right here designed it.
Thank you, my princess. I truly appreciate. But did you call me here to look at me?
The other thing I would do other than looking at you is to lie on the bed naked with you.
My princess, you flatter me a lot.
Are you married?
No, but I have a girlfriend.
Well, if you're not married, you're single. And I intend to make you my man, Ahana.
My princess, with all due respect, I intend to get married to my girlfriend.
Bury that idea. Henceforth, you are my man.
No, Clement.
No.
Maneka.
Yes.
Thank you. Sit down. Please sit down. No, sit down. No, Clement. Maneka, what happened? What happened to them?
It's Urenna. Urenna wants to kill my husband for me.
Urenna? A woman?
A small girl. She has no respect at all. After beating my daughter because of a man, she followed her to our farm where we were and fought my husband.
I don't understand what you're saying. You mean a girl, a small girl, did this to Nai Clement, and you and your daughter stood and watched her? I don't understand.
Lolo, what can we do? She's too strong. Too strong.
Too strong to defeat both of you. This is totally unacceptable for me. Well, in the absence of my husband, I will inform the cabinet members about it. They will know the punishment to be given to her. They will make sure she's well punished.
Thank you, my lord.
Guard!
Your Majesty.
Please get the chief guard for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Immediately.
My lord. That man will severely for us.
Baby! Sweetheart!
What are you doing?
Sir, no vessel. Good afternoon, sir. I think Sir Anna are there inside.
You can see Hannah is not around. Urenna, or what do they call you? Please, my daughter, leave my son alone. Focus on the one that was destined to you by the gods and custom of this land. Urenna, please, leave my son alone. I beg you.
You be Anna, father. Now you go make me respect you. I don't want to insult my father-in-law. I'm not going to try him.
Me, your father-in-law. My son Hannah will never marry a notorious rascal like you. That will never happen.
No wahala. Like I said, I will not insult you. You know why? Because very soon, I'm going to cook food you will eat. It don't be you. Maybe I go find my boyfriend.
She knows send you. She knows send you.
What is going on here? We have been summoned to the palace. All thanks to you. Where's Yapu? Come on for the man. Come on for here. Move on. Urenna, stop being stupid. We have been summoned and we must answer. Well, if I must go to the palace, I will go as a free woman. Not by all these bodyguards when you carry, they surround me.
Urenna, Nai Clement here claims that you fought and threw him to the ground without mouthing his age and title in this land. Is that true?
I mean, say make you be weak, man. Man, when I suffer train go university, I worked so hard to train that man to school. Now he don't get successful, he don't graduate. This stupid girl won't pack him. You know, throw your picking well. You throw your picking, make it a snatch for boyfriend. Takes I go agree. I'm not go agree. For my hard work, no, the wine.
Will you shut up your mouth, Urenna? Is that the reason you should fight a man who they love to be your father? You beat him blue-black. If he's your father, would you have done that? I'm asking you.
Who is old enough to be my father? This one?
Yes.
This one only the respect himself. I bet we come talk another thing. No be this one why they see for here because this one why they see no they get himself. Yeah. This man put his chest for my eye. He won't follow me fight. You won't follow your girl. Father, you know so you know girls to. Hey, now take camera. You enter ground. I help and fall well. Next time you no go try young person.
My elders, I don't think there is any need for us to prolong this gathering. The girl in question is not showing any remorse at all. And as such, there is no consideration for pardon here. We all know the penalty for any young boy or girl that fights an elder in this village. So let's proceed rather than give her the room to disrespect this honorable gathering.
No, you have spoken well. In the absence of the king who is currently not on seat, we the cabinet members can preside over small matters like deeds and pass judgment. According to the tradition and laws of this land, Urena should be held in palace cell until a he-goat is presented to Nai Clement and also offset all his hospital bill. With due respect, High Priestess, I believe you know the capital price of the offense your daughter has committed.
My elders, I consent to the execution.
Teacher Clement. Take. This is the goat. I promise to compensate you for what my daughter did. There.
Thank you very much.
Also, some money here. This will be enough to cover for the expenses you incurred in your daughter's treatment. And you still have some to buy some pain relief as required. Please, I am sorry.
It's alright.
One second.
Thank you very much. You've done a lot. And I'm giving you this assurance that before nightfall, I must reach out to my fellow elders in the cabinet and I must make sure your daughter will be released.
That would be great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chief Clement. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mama, I'm glad you clarify what is up because I don't think the things know they make sense for my brain. Why you go give them permission make they lock me for sale? You just say my mama.
Urena, you are very, very lucky that I was able to compensate Nai Clement early enough for you to be released today. But when next you try that your nonsense again, I'll make sure you spend 1 month or more. You're
a very wicked mother. You did very wicked.
Go inside and take your bath to smell it.
Here comes my mother. Lolo China. The ageless mother. That is sweet. Pretty mama. That is sweet. Mama, you're looking so pretty. Thank you, my love. You're so pretty too, my darling. My pretty princess. You look good. Thank you, Mama. I heard someone had a guest a few days ago. Yes. A loyal visitor. He will definitely do too much, Mommy. Oh. Who is he? Ahana the architect. Ahana. I thought he has a girlfriend. Mommy, that's none of my business. I should be the only one to get married to the first architect in this village. The first and currently architect to design the first ultra-modern market in Sarah village. I should be the one to get him. Mm-hmm. Have you told him about your desires? Yes. And I know he will come around. He doesn't love wealth and royalty, especially when it's been offered on a platter. Like, seriously? No! My go-getter. I love that. I learned from the best. Oh my God, my dear. Did you tell them what to make today? Yeah, your favorite, my dear. Okay. Yeah, your favorite. Thank you, Mommy. Yes. I was trying to check on something. Okay. To purchase. Alright. Look at this.
Are you blind? Can't you see that I'm taking it to the market?
Which market? You won't go sell the goat?
Yes, it's my own.
No, you don't go sell them. You go chop this goat till you go choke you.
Ooh.
I'm not agreeing with
goat, you go choke me?
Yes.
My own goat?
Give me the goat.
This goat is now mine and I can do whatever I like with the goat. Leave my goat for me!
You got this goat, you must chop until the choke you die. I mean, you want goat? You request for goat, Abi? The goat will kill you. Come on, give me the goat. Give
You see this goat? It's for me.
Baby, I was coming to your house.
Yes, just coming from your place. I heard what happened.
And stay away from her. She's a total condemnation.
Nai Clement, whatever might have happened, please, it's okay. Close to go. Huh?
No! I told you before, stay away.
Baby, he wants to go and sell the gold.
Let him be.
And because of you.
Thank you, I appreciate. Please let him be. Right? Let's go. Come, let's go.
Okay, mayor. Uren na heart of a rascal. The heart of a rascal. She don't send you. She don't send your papa. Anyhow you want her, she go give you. Uren na don't send anybody. The heart of a rascal. She don't send you. She don't send you. She don't send your papa.
Tell them make they leave you alone now. If they don't leave you alone, me I no go stop the fight. I know what I suffered. I toiled morning and night just to raise money to send you to school, make it for not be drop out. Now they won't come carry you from me. They want to reap for what they did not sow. I no go agree.
Urem, I understand. Alright? I know. I understand what you're saying. All your sacrifices, you know, being there for me, going to school and all of that. I appreciate them. I don't take them for granted. But I want you to understand that you're mine. I'm yours forever and ever. Nobody's told you that I can't even choose those girls over you. It's not possible, baby. I love you and that is it. So this fight is not necessary. All these insecurities, please, just stop it.
This is so sweet of you.
Baby, just stop this fight, okay? And I'll be fine.
Okay, I will try.
Is that a promise?
I don't go promise, but I go try.
No, you have to promise me.
Okay, I promise.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, kita jisi anyoko, we love go. Na jidini sigi, the ways of the gods are quite different from our ways. fighting love. Stop fighting love. And they are in love. Oh, Zamiri, Zamiri, Zamiri. Oh, Zamiri, Zamiri. Oh, Zamiri, Zamiri, Zamiri.
Thank you, my princess.
I invited you over to look at the handsome man that designed the ultra-modern markets that my father is going to be building for the kingdom. I believe he's going to be one of its kind because this handsome man right here designed it.
Thank you, my princess. I truly appreciate. But did you call me here to look at me?
The other thing I would do other than looking at you is to lie on the bed naked with you.
My princess, you flatter me a lot.
Are you married?
No, but I have a girlfriend.
Well, if you're not married, you're single. And I intend to make you my man, Ahana.
My princess, with all due respect, I intend to get married to my girlfriend.
Bury that idea. Henceforth, you are my man.
Oh, Zamiri, Zamiri, Zamiri. Whatever that is meant to be, must be. Nothing can stop it. Yeah, Jinaka, Ejire, Lelea, Dinta Buleni, Gadi Panjikere, it was easy.
Mama, good night. Should I come back? I'll tell you something.
Can you not wait till tomorrow?
I'm afraid it can't. Sit down.
I would have gone through the back door. What is it?
Amadi made me to understand that you have refused to allow them come to pay you bride price.
So because of this issue, you asked me to come back here? Eh, Mama? I've told you several that I will not marry Amadi's son. I will not marry Nonso. I will never marry him. Ha!
You will never marry Nonso. You think you have a choice?
I have a choice, and the choice is Ahana.
Yeah, good enough. Stop deceiving yourself and face reality. Have you forgotten you have a duty to this community? You are the next chief priestess when I am gone. You must follow the custom and tradition of our people, which is you must get married to the man that you're betrothed to from birth.
Over my dead body. Mama, if I don't marry Ahana, let me just die.
Oh, may the gods forbid it.
High priest. Your man.
None.
We have come to ask of your welfare.
I know why you are here.
My princess, you must really love your jewels, and they are very beautiful too.
No, isn't it? The smiles are not for the jewelries. The thought of Ahana gladdens my heart so much. The smiles are for him.
My princess, you are gradually falling in love with Ahana.
Falling is an understatement. I love him and I want him all to myself. Imagine a union between the great princess of this kingdom and that of a great architect who designed the great ultramodern market. Wouldn't that be lovely?
It would, my princess.
Okay.
Except he has a girlfriend. And she's notorious for beating up any girl that gets close to him. Very notorious.
Well, I'm not just anyhow girl. I'm a princess from a great kingdom. A wealthy one at that. So she'll be humbled. By the way, who is this girl you're talking about? What is her name?
Ah, my love.
My baby boo.
But when will you stop fighting?
I'll stop when they stay away from you.
What do you mean when they stay away from me? Everyone in this village knows that you're my girlfriend. They dare not come and flirt around me.
They know, but they keep coming. They know say you be my man, yeah, they shook eye for where you did.
Come on. See, there are so many reasons why a woman will want to talk to a man. Not just being around me or flirting around me.
I don't know. I don't care. Nothing concern me. You are very handsome and so I will protect you with my full chest. In fact, I go protect you with my rugged chest.
Where is the chest?
See, I'm now.
This one.
This
one. See, I am for you and that is it. Okay?
Icha, I'm all ears.
High Priestess. We have waited long enough. By now, Nonso here and Urena should have been coached on the duty they will have to inherit. Well, I know that Nonso is ready and ever ready. But the problem is your daughter. She is still running around that boy, Ahana, chasing away, beating up every girl that she finds around him. Is that how she will carry out duty? Yeah?
Ichia, I am trying. I am trying my very best to bring my daughter's head down to earth.
Look, Urena should understand that she is a grown-up woman now. And should know all she has to know about her duty. Not behaving the way she is doing now.
We all know that to bring down a plantain, you must cut the stem.
Ezemai, what are you trying to say?
What I am trying to say is that boy Ahana should be removed from my daughter's life.
Wait, let us understand you. Are you in any way suggesting that we should kill the boy?
Not at all. I can't stain my hands with blood.
Okay.
But he should know he has no future with my daughter. And we should remind him of my daughter's duty to the village. Duties that will make him a traitor, should he put himself in a position to deter it. But if he walks away, perhaps Urenna, my daughter, will come back to her senses and focus on her duties.
So you have a very big role to play here.
Yes.
He is equally handsome and charming. He can do the work very well.
Oh, yes.
Very much so.
She want to take her destiny. She want to decide.
Good day, my daughter.
I believe you are Hannah's father.
Yes, of course. He's one and only father. No other person.
We're here to see you.
Can you have some?
Sure.
To whom do I owe this royal visit and all these gifts?
Iche, this is for you and Hannah, your son.
Really?
Yes.
My princess, I don't understand. What job am I being paid for?
Iche, I would like us to talk. Are you disposed?
Yes, of course.
Very good.
Okay, let me get the chair.
Now I see why my daughter likes you so much. You're very calm. And what do you people even call it again? Very calm and demure. I hope I got it correct though.
Yes, thank you so much, Your Highness. I'm truly humbled.
You're welcome. I would like to make you an offer.
An offer?
Yes. One that will make you a multi-millionaire and to become part of the royal household.
Your Majesty, what offer are you talking about?
50 million naira to give yourself a total makeover, befitting to be part of the royal household, and to ask my daughter's hand in marriage.
Princess Abigail?
Exactly.
Your Majesty, I have a girlfriend.
I heard about it. I dug into it and I found out that you are going out with the priestess of Ajuani's daughter. The one that will take over the mantle after her mother is no more. Do you even know her position as the next priestess of Ajuani? Do you know what it entails for her to be the next priestess of Ajuani?
She does not get to choose a husband for herself.
Exactly. There is a man she has been betrothed to right from birth. That is the only man she will get married to. And he will help her in her priestly duties. You know all this, yet you keep wasting your time.
I love her so much.
My dear, love is not enough for two people to be compatible for marriage. Think about my offer. Continue with your current girlfriend and lose out on everything. Or break up with her. Take the 50 million offer. Get married to my daughter. And possibly become the next king of Isiala Kingdom. If I were you, I wouldn't consider the first option.
Don't worry. In fact, you are my daughter-in-law already.
Wow.
Hannah, my son, is your husband. It has been concluded.
Thank you so much, Nai. Thank you. Ichie, one more thing.
Whatever.
I want you to tell Ahana to stay away from that low-life girl. I don't want him close to that girl. Take does not befit him. Please.
That's not a problem. He doesn't have a choice. He cannot marry that rascal of a girl. Just leave Hannah for me. I will handle her.
Alright, Nai. Thank you so much.
Okay.
You know, if you do this for me, I'll be very grateful.
Oh.
And more will come from where all these are coming from.
I need it more than you are saying it. I beg.
Princess, that went smoother than expected. He's so happy.
Yeah. Just look at his face. He's so happy. He doesn't even like the so-called Urena.
Nobody does. That girl is a rascal. Plus, she's betrothed to another.
In that case, Ahana is just mine. Driver, take me to the palace.
Some say she belongs to the gods, while some say she's a village rascal.
50 million naira to give yourself a total makeover, befitting to be part of the royal household, and to ask my daughter's hand in marriage. 50 million naira to give yourself a total makeover and to ask my daughter's hand in marriage.
Ure mommy. Ure my love.
I know they come here with this. I know be your mommy, I know be your love. Stop all this kind of thing. I don't like
Okay, no problem. I went to your house. I was hoping to see you.
I don't understand. Hope don't finish. You look yourself finish. That today hope to see me. Why you won't waste the hope?
Why are you talking to me like this now? Urema, why are you talking to me like this? I've shown you enough proof that I will love and respect you. Even when you become the princess of this town, I will still support you. I will still love you and do everything for you.
Make I clear you. Whatever agreement these people had on our heads is none of my business. Read my lips. I will never marry you. It no go happen.
Stop deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving yourself. See, one day, Ahana will wake up from his slumber and he will not marry you. You can decide to deceive yourself forever. But for how long will Ahana do it? For how long will Ahana deceive himself? One day he will wake up and marry another woman. One day Ahana will leave you. He will dump you and marry another woman. Haven't I shown you enough love?
Okay, Urena, heart of a rascal. the heart of a rascal. She don't send you, she don't send your anyhow you want it, she go give you. Renna no send anybody. The heart of a rascal.
Hi! Hey, what? No, give me no, because.
Listen, why? What have we done to Renna in this village? Huh?
Look at my head. Look at what she did to me. Just because I was telling my friends how much I love Ahanna and would love to be his girlfriend. She heard it, picked the son and broke my head.
Oh. You know that?
Hey! Eh? What have I done wrong because of our land to have a daughter like this? Eh? All she brings to my doorstep on daily basis is trouble, disgrace, and problem on daily basis. Eh? Trouble every day. That's what she brings to my doorstep. Eh? Oh, Ndo. Nine. Biko. Ndo. Anyway, I'm going to add money so that you use in treating your daughter. Biko.
I've heard you, but I have no money on me. All I want is for you to take my daughter to a good chemist and treat her. And then, please, caution your daughter before she breaks all the hairs of the girls in this village. Biko.
It's okay. No problem. Let me get money for you. That will be enough for her treatment. Yeah?
No, they use her love to play. She sacrificed everything for this love. She sacrificed everything for her love. Anybody welcome closer to her lover is a suspense and must collect pity with immediate effect.
My son, you are back.
But what is going on here?
My son, I have always known that one day God will use you to elevate this family from poverty.
Poverty? We are not poor now. What is all this about?
It's not like that. Guess who was here earlier today?
Papa, you know I'm not good at guessing. Even if I say it, I wouldn't be correct. So please go ahead and tell me.
Abigail. Princess Abigail was here earlier today.
Princess Abigail?
Yes.
What was she here for?
My son. It looks like... No, not it looks like. Princess Abigail has her eyes on you. You can understand what I mean.
You mean to tell me that she brought up this?
Yes, my son. You are going to be the husband of the only daughter of Igwe Ndubisi. And you know what that is going to make you when the Igwe eventually joins his ancestors. Huh? You can understand. Hey! Umba, nyere m aka ka anyị banye. Nyere m aka, mee ọsịsọ. What are you doing? Come and help me now.
Stop deceiving yourself and face reality. Have you forgotten you have a duty to this community? You are the next chief priestess when I am gone. You must follow the custom and tradition of our people, which is you must get married to the man that you're betrothed to from birth.
Over my dead body. Mama, if I don't marry Anna, let me just die.
Okay, no problem. I went to your house. I was hoping to see you.
I don't understand. Hope don't finish. You look yourself finish that today hope to see me. Why you won't waste the hope?
Why are you talking to me like this now? Eh? Urema, why are you talking to me like this? I've shown you enough proof that I will love and respect you. Even when you become the princess of this town, I will still support you. I will still love you and do everything for you.
Make I clear you. Whatever agreement these people had on our heads is none of my business. With my lips, I will never marry you. It no go happen.
Stop deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving yourself. See, one day, Ahana will wake up from his slumber and he will not marry you. You can decide to deceive yourself forever. But for how long will Ahana do it? For how long will Ahana deceive himself? One day he will wake up and marry another woman. One day Ahana will leave you. He will dump you and marry another woman. Haven't I shown you enough love?
It's something I have to do. As long as I'm going to be the next priestess of our journey after my mother.
Stop fighting love. They are in love. Oh, Zamiri, Zamiri, Zamiri. Oh, Zamiri, Zamiri. Oh, Zamiri, Zamiri, Zamiri. Oh, Zamiri, Zamiri, Zamiri.
Mama? 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 Mama, open the door now! Mama! Hey, Mama, it's late to open the door! She can't think with this. Why this woman they behave like this? Mama!
Must be nothing can stop it.
So now like this I go sleep for outside. That's why I go take sleep for outside this night.
Mama! Mama, I know say you dey hear me. I know say you not deaf, you dey hear me. Open the door!
To avoid and I know. To avoid and I know. Don't eat what is not meant for you. Don't be stubborn. Don't be wicked. Don't eat what is not meant for you. Don't be stubborn, don't be wicked. Oh, Zamiri, Zamiri, Zamiri.
Jesus Christ. Mama, what be this now? Which kind of nonsense be this now? Eh?
You are lucky I did not boil it first and added pepper in it before pouring it on you. Eh? What is wrong with you, Rena? Why have you decided to be a voluntary abomination in my life? Eh?
What should be voluntary abomination again?
It is when someone intentionally decides to be an abomination to everyone that comes around him or her. That's exactly what you are doing to me and to the people of Isiala Kingdom.
Mama, now I fall in love. I no keep person. I'm just genuinely in love.
What sort of stupid love entails you breaking people's head every day? Eh? Beating girls up! Breaking their heads every day! Eh? Olena, do you know how much I have spent so far in treating all the people you incurred injury on? Eh? Do you know how much?
Can you give them money now? I don't want to concern me. I ask you when you give them money.
Take out me also. Hey! Chineke! Onye muto onye ebe! Onye amura na apa! Eh?
Papa, please. I love Urenna. I love her with all my heart.
Ahanna. Ahanna. How many times did I call you? You better go and collect that your heart back from that girl. Because over my dead body, will I watch you walk down a path that will lead to excommunication in this village.
Papa, I am ready to be excommunicated from this village. If that is all it will take for me to spend the rest of my life with Urenna.
Is it my son talking? Ahanna, did you hear yourself? Is this a spell or something? Aside from her duties in this village, how can you love a girl who fights like a mad woman? Eh? A girl who is a notorious rascal. What has she given to you?
Father, she gave me love that mother never gave to me. She gave me attention that you standing before me never gave to me. This is one woman that I love with all my heart. A woman that stood by me. A woman that can fight the whole world because of me. Have you forgotten? This is the same woman that saw me through school. That made me who I am today. That got me educated. How can you forget that?
My son, I have apologized for all my shortcomings. Must you always use it against me? Why must you always talk about it?
Papa, with all due respect, I don't know what Princess Abigail has given to you. But whatever it is, I don't care. Return them back. Because I am not sure you can meet up with her own or your own side of the bargain. I'm not sure. Please, leave me alone. I'm not interested. I love Urenna and that is on period. That is final. Give it back to her. I'm not interested. I've said that time with that number. Please, Biko, take it back, Papa. Take it back. If there's nothing tangible you want to discuss with me, please discontinue this conversation right now. Biko, take it back.
What has this first girl given to my son? Because I know this is not normal.
Ezine.
Yes, my queen.
Today is a very special day. Make sure that everywhere is perfect. No mistake. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, my queen.
Please.
Perfect.
Yes.
I think that is back.
Already?
Yes.
Let's go.
She want to take her destiny. She want to decide her future. Some say she belong to these girls. Where some say she's a village rascal.
Yeah,
finally back home.
Good to be back home.
You're back home.
Miss you so much.
I really miss you so much, my love.
Yeah.
So,
How did the meeting with the cabinet members go?
Well, it went very well.
Okay.
And I'm happy it's all over.
Alright.
And everyone has returned back to their respective houses.
Thank God.
And now I have all the time to attend to be with the two most important women in my life.
You're welcome. You're welcome once again.
Thank you.
The Lord has done it finally. Finally, finally. The Lord has done it finally. Finally, finally.
Who is he?
I'm not the architect.
She couldn't find a prince from a nearby kingdom or even a faraway kingdom?
Ahana is not a bad choice. We can elevate him to our status. And that is the person your daughter wants. Yes, she loves him so much.
It's alright. She is my daughter. She gets whatever she wants.
Yeah.
Has she spoken about it to the young man?
Yes, she has, though there's a little challenge there. That is not something we cannot handle. Yeah, we can handle it.
Well, if you are in support, then I'm in support too.
Thank you so much! I am in support. I am in support. Thank you so much, dear.
Alright then, okay. You know what I did now?
Tell me.
I need a very steamy bath.
Okay.
That's exactly what I did now.
You get all what you want. Your command is my wish, my love. So let me get the bath water ready immediately.
Hold on.
Okay.
You are going to beat me.
With all pleasure, my love. So come, let me get the bath water ready. I'm coming. Yeah.
Very quickly.
I'm sure it's not just him being the first architect of our village and the four other villages across. You are deeply falling in love with him.
I think so too. I just find myself thinking about Ahana almost all the time. I want Ahana all to myself.
Then be ready to face Urena the rascal.
That Urena girl. I think we should pay her a visit.
We? My princess, I don't think it's a good idea. I mean, we are the princess of Isiala Kingdom and shouldn't go through all that stress for a man. It should be the other way around.
That's where you ladies get it wrong. I'm not that kind of a lady. I'm a lady who sees what she likes and goes for it. If I like a man and I want to make him mine, I'll go extra mile to make him mine. I will make him fall in love with me.
Ah, Princess.
I like the way you call that name. How are you, Hannah?
I'm fine.
Where are you going to?
Home.
I was actually coming from your house. I met you absent.
You're coming from my house?
Yes.
Okay.
So hop in.
No, Princess, you don't have to do
I insist. Hop in. Let's go back to your house. Hannah.
Yes, my princess.
Did your father tell you that I visited your daddy?
Oh, yes. I deeply appreciate. Thank you so much for your kind gestures.
You're welcome. So, did he tell you anything?
Yes, he told me you brought some items to our house. I mean, I saw it myself, and he said you took an interest in me.
Did he tell you the kind of interest?
A special one.
Just that?
Yes. Thank you for bringing me home.
It's my pleasure.
Won't you like to come inside?
No, there will be no need for that. I was coming to see you and I've seen you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. I'll be going. My regards to your father.
Thank you.
Hey, God. The God I worship is a wonder. Oh, my son. You are back. Welcome, man.
Papa, what's all this excitement all about?
Is that not Princess Abigail's car?
And so?
What do you mean, and so? So, now you two are, moving around together.
Oh, Papa, please. She just dropped me off. There's nothing more.
Shut up. There is more to that. And focus on the bright side and leave the dark side alone.
Father, please.
What is wrong with you?
I am tired, please. I can't hold this conversation,
Yes. Your mother told me that you like fruits very well, so I got this for you.
Kai, I don't suffer. It's not because of you they wake me up from sleep.
I didn't know that you were sleeping. Sorry.
You say you got me fruits?
Yes.
Make I see. Are they come?
What is wrong with you?
You are wrong with me. This question is, you are wrong with me. Why you go wake me up from sleep because of that anumpama? For waiting now? Eh? Because of nonso? Now you... Mama, see. Make I just tell you, see that nonso, no give her marry. Make him not come to again because if you try him, I go kill him.
Urenna, you cannot run away from your duties. The earlier you stop this madness, the better for you.
Read my lips. I will not marry nonso.
We take good woman.
Leave him. What you say with the cutlass?
Okay, give me the cutlass.
She wants to
Hey!
her future.
Hey! Hey! I'm on one.
Ikuku na-abịa, anyị mara nke o si abịa. Echi dị ime, anyị mara ife ọ ga-amụ. Nna ihe ibe nọ na mkpu. Arụbụnago bụ n'ukwu. Aja na-ekerekwa gị, atụkwala gị nzu. Ekenekwa m mmụọ na-emere m ive mmụọ ndị na-ejele ozi. Ekenekwa m unu, atụkwala m unu nzu. A sị na agụpụ ụzọ akụfụ ọnụ. Mma mere nwoke, mma mere nwaanyị. Ya ka anyị na-ayọ. A sị m o metere bulu. Ebe obele ugobele nke si ibi ebele nkwukwa ya. Ọkwasị na ijiji bịa n'ọkpa ọ bụrụ onye ovepu. Were agbakọ Chukwu nke abịa mma. Onye kere igwe na ikuku na mmiri. Anyị ekele gị. My ancestors, the gods of my fathers, I come before you this day. I'm pleading on behalf of my daughter Urenna. I don't know what is wrong with her. But I beg you. I beg you to settle her. I beg you to repair her. Grant her pardon and mercy. Make her come to her senses. So that she will be capable to take over this mantle. I am getting weak. She's next in line. But her mind is not in this world. You are the one that chose her. Please, repair her, help her, direct her, channel her mind to this work so that she will understand the meaning of her existence.
I am really impressed. You know, that's why the short notice. You're able to come.
I'm grateful, my king. I will always be at your service.
Yeah, I can see why my daughter loves you so much.
Father.
Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
Jesus. I think I have to be.
You mind if I give you a ride?
My princess, that wouldn't be necessary. I can find my way.
I insist. You know my parents think we're cool. It will be bad if we disappoint them, and they might be looking at us right now.
Alright, my princess, let it be the last time.
Sure. Let's go.
There's this glow in her whenever she sees him.
Yeah, I'm beginning to notice that too.
He makes her happy. And always wants her to be happy.
Well, if it's he she wants, I will not object, because her happiness comes before any social status and class.
Yeah, I agree with you 100%.
That's good.
Yeah, they're put together.
She wants to take her destiny. She wants to decide her future. Some say she belongs to the girls, well some say she's a village rascal.
What are you doing in my house? I'm so confused. Eh? What bad luck have you decided to come and spray around this time? Eh?
Me, enemy of progress.
Yes, Urenna.
Sir Biko, I came here for peace. Anna asked me to prepare abacha for him, that he likes abacha so much, so I brought it for him.
Fiakwa! There will never be peace with you anywhere you go. As long as you continue to commit abomination and even drag my son into it. Eh? Uren, please, leave my son alone. Whatever witchcraft you are using on him, please release him. I am begging you, release him, Urenna.
Sir, I'm not using witchcraft on your son. Your son and I love each other so much. Biko.
Don't love him, Urenna. Don't love him. He is meant for princess. As for the abacha you brought, please, carry it back home. You can see he's not around and you cannot leave it with me. Take your food home, please. Leave my compound. How many times will I tell you this? Leave my compound.
Urenna, Mama, Urenna, Wana Joronsu.
Anna! Anna!
Is that?
Go! Keep going! Are you driving? I just said drive! What's that for here? What are you doing with my boyfriend? Come on, you're mad. Don't go to me, Chris. You're mad. You're mad. What are you doing with my boyfriend? You're mad.
Stop! Stop! No! Oh! Stop! No, now! No, now!
What a stupid act is this? What a humiliation, Hannah. I warned you. I warned you. Eh? By now, the news must have circulated all over the village. Will be topic of gossip till further notice.
Papa, how am I supposed to know that I'll be meeting Urenna on the road? How?
Were you not the person who asked her to bring abacha for you?
And does that warrant you blaming me for everything that happened?
You are to be blamed, Hannah. You are to be blamed. If you had not vehemently insisted on still going out with that stupid girl, none of this thing would have happened.
My princess, what happened to you?
Mother, one life girl beat me up. She fought me.
Where were your guards when this happened?
Daddy, I did not go with my guards. I only went with my driver to drop her and Naya.
And she just came from nowhere and started to fight you?
No, Daddy. She saw us inside the car. She didn't even allow me to talk. She just came from nowhere, bounced on me and started beating me. My whole body is feeling me. If not because of Anna, my driver. I'm not sure I will make it that out. Don't touch me, don't touch me.
This is totally unacceptable.
Yes.
A slap on me and to the your household.
This girl, is it the woman now, the girl? The same girl that fights every girl that she sees around Hannah. The only daughter of the priestess of Adran. Eh?
Yes. Mommy, she's the one. She's the one that beats me up. Princess of Israel Kingdom.
Did this to you?
Yes.
If she is the only daughter of the priestess, in that case she is the next in line to becoming the priestess of Ajuari after her mother. Is she betrothed to Ahana?
Oh. She is not.
No.
But she insisted that it's Ahana that she wants.
My man, Mommy, my man.
This is total nonsense. I want her brought before my presence.
Why is Princess Abigail looking like that?
My dear, it's a long story.
Just summarize it sharp now.
She was attacked by Urono, the notorious rascal. Oh no, if you see beating, front and back. That girl is a beast.
That girl has finally touched the lion's tail. This time around.
I want the princess. But why did Urena fight her? Is it because of Hannah?
If you ask us, who do we ask?
I wasn't asking.
I'm not here. Get out of my sight, you child of shame. Who knows how many mouths are insulting me mercilessly now for giving birth to a child like you? Eh?
See, my mama clear you, eh? You see this nonsense where they yank come out for your mouth. You see this old pata where they come out from your mouth. And they leave it because it's my mama. I swear to God, if another person do this thing, hey, the body go surplus, blood go flow, I go beat shake come for the person body.
Shut up your mouth, you stupid girl. Hi! My enemies have succeeded. Huh? How dare you? How dare you look for who to fight? He's the princess of this kingdom.
Who should be one of the fighter? The princess of this kingdom. Who should be? Princess only they respect herself. You want okay, my boyfriend? Ma tell you, as far as Ahana is involved, I go dey beat that girl. Anywhere I see with my boyfriend, I go beat her.
Shut up your mouth, my friend! Shut up, boy, son! Shame on you! Shame on you!
My chest down with my full chest, I collect them. Eh? See, my chest is spread to collect the shame. So far say na my boyfriend Ahana, it don't be you. I don't collect the shame since the wine. Hey! I chest down with my full chest.
But her life is full of determination.
I'm not here! I'm not here! Shameless girl! Hey! Hey, what? My enemies will be rejoicing wherever they are now. Hey! They've succeeded, oh. They've succeeded. Urena, you will not kill me. Urena! How did I give birth to a child like you? The ghost of our life. Where did I go wrong? Eh?
The young eaglets of Isiala Kingdom. The young lioness that her strength is compared to now. Ashalugo. Abeze. My princess, why worry yourself over that woman? Isn't it you were not there? You were not there to see how that girl disgraced me. You were not there. Just look at me. The princess of this kingdom, that girl disgraced me. She humiliated me. Look at my dress.
I know, my princess. Just put yourself together. And I trust Iwe, your father, the king of our kingdom. You will so deal with her. You will put her in her place. That the next time she sees you, she will be on her nails. My father will treat her with some respect, and that is not what I want. Remember, she's the daughter of the priestess, and the next priestess of Ajahn. My father will not do what I want. I want that girl to be humiliated. I want her to taste what I taste today. Just look at my clothes. Just look at my dress. That girl threw me on the floor. I know. I'm sorry, my princess. Please say it to me. What I told you. She's very notorious. Very, very. That girl is only notorious. There is one evil spirit behind that girl. I know that girl has this pop. Ha!
My queen, we must realize that that girl in question is the daughter of the priestess of Achuani. And there's a level of punishment you can give her.
Those levels should be demolished and brought to the floor. She has the guts to lay her filthy hands on your daughter, Igwe. It is a very big slap to you.
I will meet with my cabinet members to decide on what punishment to be meted on her.
Whatever punishment it is, Igwe, that punishment should be enough to humble that girl before my daughter. I heard that girl is a very stubborn girl. And a pampered punishment will not do anything to a stubborn girl like her. So please, Igwe, do something. Do something. That girl cannot just lay her hands on my daughter and go scot-free. No, I will not take it. I will not take it.
I still need to speak with the priestess because there's need for her to know what we are doing.
That's none of my business. It's none of my business. I don't even care. All I know is give that girl a punishment that she deserves for laying hands on my daughter Igwe. Put her in her place. Put her in her place. I don't care. I don't care.
I heard that Urena scattered Princess Abigail's face with slap. I even heard that she lifted her up with one hand and threw her to the floor. Hey, I foresee. Yes. That is that Buddha was right though. That Buddha was right. Are you serious? Yes, he was there. You know, I keep wondering, what kind of a priestess will she make? I just pray one day Ajani will just get tired of her and strike her. He said, I'm even in support of it. Let her die. You know, because of that girl, I cannot even shake my bum in this village. Because of Urena, I cannot even walk past her hand again and shake my bum. Even you. Who don't like better thing? Like say you don't like her hand. Listen, I want to start going before Urena will appear from nowhere and start beating us. So you want to leave me? I don't have strength to fight you. You want to shake your bum. Keep shaking your bum. Shake your bum. Okay, you are not scared. Why are you coming? Stand now. You want to shake bum for Princess?
What did you occur for you? And because of me, you carry this hungry, frustrated bodyguards come here. Besides the lean, no chest.
Look, I'm not here to banter words with you. I'm here to warn you. Stay away from Ahana.
You say waiting?
You heard me.
Where you could that thing? Make I leave my man for you. You the mad bomb to your head. You
I will not warn you again. Stay away from Ahana.
You don't talk finish. Make I give you my own warning. You see that my man? You see that my love? I know you take and play. We've been dating for a very long time now. I no go dey stupid to allow another woman pack my man. It no go fit happen. It no go fit sup. I already fight everybody because of Ahana. I go fight your papa, fight your mama, fight the universe because of her. So stay away from him. I know well. Go ask question. I go. The one I do is small. I go beat you. Now your corpse, now your dead body. Let people go see. Don't try me, oh. The wine.
I like strong women like you are. But why wasting it? Why are you wasting your energy on a man you will never have? Yes. For God's sake, you have a man already prepared for you. Why not go for him? Or do you want to tell me you're not bigger than the custom and the tradition of this kingdom?
What's it concern culture and tradition of this land? Make them fuck off. See, stay away from this my boyfriend. You dey get long throat. I go shook am for your eye, you. Avoid my man. Otherwise he go big for you. You dey feel me?
Right now. This is the last one. I won't mean again.
Shut them. And the lover on Yakuchikwana Yesia Makone where we were.
Princess I'm really sorry for what happened that day.
It's fine, that's bygone. I'm actually coming from her place. Yes. I went to warn her to stay clear from you.
What? You went to warn Urenna?
Yes, of course. For God's sake, why are you all scared of her? It's not as if she can do anything.
I'm not scared for myself.
Okay.
I'm actually scared for you.
You shouldn't be, because she won't try that rubbish next time.
Please, princess. Do not go to her house again to warn her. Please, I beg you. Let her be. Please.
She's just bluffing. She won't try that rubbish next time. Ahana. With all that girl's trouble, the fact that you know you both can't be together, yet you still love her. When you realize that you both have no future together, I'll be waiting.
Beautiful soul, but her life is full of determination. And the lover on Yakuchikwana Yesia Makone where we were. She believes in herself. Heart of rascal, she is ready to do anything. Anything just to make her love moving. Okay, mayor. Urenna, heart of a rascal. The heart of a rascal.
Mama, who was that?
It's a girl from the palace. You have finally brought my legs outside, Urenna. You have succeeded.
Are they summoning you? Why?
You dare ask me why? Urenna, you dare ask me why? Is it not because of idiot like you?
Mama, I beg, no call me idiot too. Ogini, no dey pour your anger and frustration on my body. Don't me say make them summon you. Biko, Ogini.
Anna, this path that you are taking with Urenna, it's not going to work. You guys are just chasing shadows.
So what is the right thing to do?
Break up with her. Yes, break up with her. Break up with Urenna.
You think I haven't tried? You think I haven't thought of it? I have my brother. But I just can't see myself breaking up with Urena. I love her so much.
And I understand you. But you see this path you people are taking, it's not going to work. It's an abomination if you people get married and give birth. My dear, the whole village, they are involved in this. So if you marry this lady, they will excommunicate you. Think about that. All of us in this village, we are involved. Imagine the whole village, they are involved in this. I'm telling you, it's not going to work. As for me, I am free to marry this girl. It's only when, have you seen me with another woman? The fate, the nature, everything I have planned it is like this. Urena is for me, I'm for Urena. So stop all these things you are doing.
I think you have a point. I think you have a point.
I heard that the princess like you. Yes. Why don't you think about that one? Don't allow this opportunity to slip away from your hand. If I were you, I would dive to that side. If you marry Urena, it's not going to work. The whole village will come to this house and burn it down. I've told you. Think about Princess. Leave Urena. That love na blindness.
Also, you have done well. You've done well, so please go well and be safe.
You need to think about that too. Leave Urena. Focus on Princess.
I've heard you.
Because we are telling you. You will be here now doing all these things you are doing. The whole village will come and burn down your house because you won't take what belongs to me. Just stay there.
Open this gate! Open this gate! Summon me! Leave my mama alone now. I'm not supposed to summon. Open the gate now! Open this gate, useless people! Open the gate! Open this gate! Open this gate! Summon me! Leave my mama alone now. I'm not supposed to summon. Open the gate now!
What has got
Open this gate, useless people! Open the gate!
Absolutely, she have lost it.
Open this gate! Summon me! Leave my mama alone now. I'm not supposed to summon. Open the gate
I
now!
think we should get this girl arrested immediately.
Well, calm down.
Open this gate, useless people!
Calm
Open
down.
the gate!
Did I hear you say calm down? She's there constituting nuisance and you said I should calm down.
Do not forget she is the daughter of a priestess and she cannot be treated like an ordinary person.
Hey! Here you come again with this princess! I am tired! I'm tired of this! What nonsense! This girl is there, making noise, disturbing the whole village, and you're telling me to calm down! Calm down!
Mother, I don't like the way father is pampering that Urena girl. I don't like it.
That is why she's misbehaving. She knows she will be pampered.
Mother, father will not like my next actions. I will take laws into my hand and punish her mercilessly.
No, you don't have to do that. Please, calm down. We don't need to take a rational decision now, please. Calm down.
I speak to your husband. Speak to him.
I will do that, but calm down. Please, just calm down. Calm down.
even more.
A couple of days ago, a young girl assaulted my daughter that she had never seen before in any form of violence. And she is allegedly notorious for fighting every girl that comes close to that same law. Does that bring any name to mind?
Your Majesty, who else could it be other than the notorious Orenna girl?
The High Priestess of Ajani. Could that be your daughter?
Yes, she is my daughter. And I'm aware of her relationship with the said boy. And I also know how she has been fighting any girl she sees around him.
Ezema, are you trying to tell us that you failed in preparing your only child for the duties she will inherit?
My elders, honestly, I've tried. And I am still trying.
Well, I wanted you to be present so that we do not decide on the punishment of your daughter in your absence. Earlier, she had come to the palace gate to cause great nuisance and embarrassment to the whole household.
Your Majesty, whatever punishment you give to her, I'm in support of it. As long as it's in accordance with our customs and tradition. Even if it undermines her status as the next priestess of Ajani.
Very well then. I propose that she be locked up in a palace cell to be fed once a day for 7 days. If you are in support, raise up your hand. You have said that the majority has voted. Do you have any objection?
No, Your Majesty. It's a fair punishment. I did not raise up my hand because no matter whatever she does, she is still my daughter. I can never join the rest of the world to condemn her.
From our ways, stop fighting love, stop fighting love. They are in love. Oh, Zomiri, Zomiri, Zomiri. Oh, Zomiri, Zomiri.
Even though you're more right from time, you know. Let me manage this one. Hey,
my man,
my friend Ikago. Well, this is all there is to the topic you've been hearing, trending in this village for the past few days. I mean, the one you heard before coming into the village. It's crazy. These are just rumors, I think.
Wow, this is very crazy.
I know.
It's very, very crazy. But since I came back, that's what I've been, flying around in the village. But, guy, I don't know that you are still together with Uren. Because I was thinking that two of you were just, playing hanky-panky way back. I don't know that you are too serious with her.
Igago, my friend, I love this girl so much. I have tried to kill these feelings, but it's not just possible. I've done everything within my power to stop loving this same girl. I can't see that happening. I mean, I can't even see myself having a future without her. And I'm very, very, very sure that she feels the same way for me.
Wow. This is very, very crazy.
Crazy.
And in fact, it's complicated though.
What do you mean by that?
Because the girl I know, that girl is a very stubborn person though. I'm just, how can you cope up with this kind of thing?
So then I have a call.
Let me pick up this call.
Hello?
What? Okay. What is it?
I need to rush to the palace now, please.
Only one.
I'll see you.
Mama!
Move it!
Mama, you're not saying anything! Mama! 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 Move!
Ajana no no no, 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 Ajana. I did not give myself this work. You chose me to do this work, Ajani. Ajani, please. The only seed I have to inherit this service. I need you to help her. Ajani, please. Ajani, heal my daughter, help my daughter. Save my daughter. Ajani, do not allow her to go astray. Bring her back to you, Ajani. Bring her back to you, Ajani. Ajani, bring my daughter back to you, Ajani. Ajani, no, no, no. Ajani, no, no, no. Ajani, no, no, no. Ajani, no, no, no.
Please, princess. Tell him to temper justice with mercy. I am very sure that if you speak to him, I am sure he will agree.
So you ran all the way here just to beg me for her. Do you know how that makes me feel? Naya, I love you so much. Don't you get it?
I know. We can talk about this next time, but please, just do this one for me. If you truly love me, please, just this one. I'm on my knees, please.
Well, my father is not the only one involved here. His cabinet members are. So he can't just come to just like that.
Now that Urena is in the palace cell, I want you to use the opportunity very well and make sure that you and Hannah is being seen together.
I will, Mommy. But Hannah loves Urena so much.
Make him stop loving her and make her stop loving him. Use one stone and kill two birds.
How, Mommy?
Take Hannah to public places. Let people see the two of you together. He cannot taste all that fame, respect, high class, and still go back to being a nobody. No.
Mother, that is a smart move. But how will this plan affect Urena?
I will give instruction to the palace guards not to allow Hannah anywhere near the palace, so that he won't be able to visit Urena in the cell. And when he gets to Urena, that both of you are seen together, she will conclude that that is the reason why Hannah is not coming to see her, and she will hate him for that.
From our ways, stop fighting love, stop fighting love. They are in love. Oh, Zomiri, Zomiri, Zomiri. Oh, Zomiri, Zomiri.
Ewa! Hey! Ewa! 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 Sorry! Ewa! Ewa! Sorry! Ewa! Ewa! Sorry! Hey! Sorry! What is wrong with you?
Chocolate. Thank you, because you're here. Please, I need to get inside my house.
You need to go to the hospital.
Just take me to my room. I will be fine.
That's a line. You need to go to the hospital. Open and can see me. Take go.
From our ways, stop fighting love, stop fighting love.
Sorry.
Yeah,
I think you need to go to the hospital. What are they feeling? Yeah, they going back.
Oh, Zomiri, Zomiri, Zomiri.
Hey, stop there. Who are you? And what brings you to the palace?
I need to see the Ibojis.
Do you have an appointment with him?
No, but it's very important. I need to see him.
Okay. You tell me.
Blessings, Father.
Hannah, you're back.
Hi, Hannah.
Hi.
Sorry. The way you pronounce his name shows me that I love my son.
Of course, I love him so much.
That's good. That's good.
Join us.
No, that's...
He was the person that made the food.
Really? You made this?
Yes, I learned from my late mother.
Oh, my beautiful wife, Janet. She was a good cook.
Yeah, so rest in peace.
It's okay, my daughter.
Anna, I actually came to see you. I don't know if you have time, so we'll just take a walk and talk.
As you can see, I'm just coming back from work. I like to rest, freshen up, and
it's fine. I can't wait.
Sure you can wait?
Sure, I can.
Is there any love?
Alright. I'll be back shortly.
Hey, this one is called love. It's okay.
Sure.
See that plot of land very close to the main market?
Yes.
We'll go and do a special.
Your Majesty.
Yes, what is it?
A man from this kingdom wants to see you. He says it's urgent.
It's okay. Tell him to come.
Yes, Your Majesty.
That's where that project I was talking to you about. That's where we're going to cite it. Yes. Nonso?
Igwe.
Nonso? Nonso?
Your Majesty.
You said it's urgent. What is it?
Yes. It's about Ezemai. She's dying. She's very sick. From the look of things, she may not survive it.
What? Isn't she getting medical help?
Igwe, I tried my best. I even told her, let me take her to the hospital. But she refused. She said her time is up.
My Igwe, that means that he and Urena must get married immediately according to our custom. If Ezemai joins her ancestors, the daughter must pick the mantle.
But Urena doesn't appear to be ready to take that revered mantle.
My way, we must make her prepared by fire by force, or she risks excommunication and exile.
No, so thank you. You may leave it. I'm worried. Urena cannot fit in. She cannot fit in. She is the next princess of our journey.
Exactly my point. She is not yet the priestess of our journey. So let her complete her punishment. Yes, let her complete her punishment.
What Nonso said about the heir to the priestess shows that she could die any time. And so, why hold back the replacement in the palace cell?
My husband, the priestess is not even seen clearly now. She could be wrong about her own death.
She could be right as well.
Fine. Let's wait and see which one it is. But the replacement is not even ready to be a replacement yet. She's not ready.
From our ways, stop fighting love. Stop fighting love. They are in love. Oh, Zomiri, Zomiri, Zomiri. Oh, Zomiri, Zomiri.
Open this place! Let me out of here, you cowards! Open this place for me! Una dey mad? I say open this place! Which kind of nonsense be this? Open this place! That girl is just an animal. How can she be the next high priestess of Adjoani? How can she? A lunatic for that matter.
Dad? Why are you still keeping quiet on that girl? She has been disturbing the entire palace since and you've not said anything. Do something, sedate her, maybe knock her off.
No, he wouldn't do anything. He's so soft on that girl. And that is why she's misbehaving up and down.
Dad? You're not saying anything.
You're not saying anything. There's no problem.
I'm here to see Rena.
I'm afraid you cannot see her.
What do you mean by I cannot see her? She's allowed to receive visitors.
Not anymore. You cannot see her
Open this
again.
place.
You cannot visit her again.
Let me out of here, you cowards. Open this place for me. Una dey mad. I said open this place.
Please, allow me to see her briefly, please. Even if it's just for 2 seconds. I will not waste your time.
No, you will have to take permission from me.
Open this place.
Digwe? Yes. Alright, please let me see.
No. See, please. This is an instruction given to me, please.
I know it's an instruction, but you're a man like me now, eh? If that girl happens to be your sister, I'm sure you will do everything to solve this problem.
See, I understand, but so I can see her, please. You will not lose your job, please. Let me see you well.
Please, I beg you, Your Majesty. Allow me to see her for 2 seconds. Just 2 seconds.
2 seconds. Is that how much you want to see her?
Yes. Yes, please.
We cannot do that, Your Majesty. The girl in question has been of bad behavior since she was locked up. No atom of remorse at all. As long as she keeps misbehaving, most of the privileges accorded to her has been withdrawn.
No. Your Majesty. Your Highness. My princess. Please, for the sake of our friendship, help me talk to your parents. Please.
Will you shut up there?
Please, Your Highness.
Do you know that my daughter had fallen in love with you? Why did you break her heart in this manner? I will not give you permission to see Rena. Leave my palace. You're such a selfish boy.
Oh, please.
God!
Your Majesty! Igwe, please. Igwe, please.
Send her. Move.
Igwe! Move!
This way, move.
Igwe!
Mother, he doesn't care about me. Did you hear what he said? He said for the sake of our friendship. That means I'm just a friend to him, nothing more.
My dear, it is okay. It's okay. I think it's time you let him go. Yes. Let him go. He is the one that is going to benefit from marrying you, not the other way around. And you should not be the one showing love and attention. He should be the one doing that and not you. Please.
Mommy, this is not just about love and attention. Mommy, my pride is at stake. Everyone thinks we are dating. What will people say when they see him with Urena? I can't lose to that girl. I can't lose to that dirty girl. Anna must be mine. I can't lose to that dirty girl. I can't lose to her.
It's okay. Please, calm down. Stop crying. He doesn't want it. He doesn't want your tears, please. Okay. Please, it's okay. It's okay.
No.
It's okay. Stop crying. I didn't give orders for Owena not to be allowed to have visitors.
I did, my love. And it's only applicable to Ahanna.
I think we have invested too much emotions and energy on that engineer. He is not worth it.
Ahanna is mine. Nobody can take him away from me. Ahanna is mine. Nobody can take him away from you. It's not okay. It's not okay.
No, it's okay.
Did you hear what Daddy said?
Just let it go. Okay, the Ahanna you are fighting.
Did you let Daddy go? Did you let Daddy go?
Please.
Who is Vicky? My own way now. They call me Vicky. Anyway, I bring food for you. Since your Ahanna is busy in the village, holding hand with the princess.
What do you mean by that?
Ahanna have been holding hand with the princess. They've been hugging each other. See, whatever that lady promised Ahanna, he has fallen for it.
No, sorry, you lie. I mean, Ahanna, he cannot do that kind of thing. It's not possible. Why did you lie?
Don't worry now. You don't see the way he loves you now. He's running 2 days for you. Come out. You will see what I'm telling you. Even the whole village is talking about it. Everybody's talking about it.
Ahanna loves me so much. He cannot do it to me. What is possible?
No problem. Have your fruit now.
Carry your nonsense, you come out from my front. I don't want.
Ure, I don't know what I did to you. I don't know why you don't love me. I've been doing everything for us to be together. Even your mother is very sick. Yes. And the way I see it, I don't think she will survive it. Hey. She declined though.
Did you tell her about her mother's ill health and the rumor flying around in the village that Princess Abigail is getting married to Anne? Did you?
Naya, I did. I hope that will make her come back. Or else, whatever they said about her is wrong. Because she still have many years to live.
Getting a priestess from entirely new family will involve a lot of rigorous processes. It hasn't been done for years or even for centuries. The items required for this ritual will ever be impossible to come back.
What then do we do now that the next priestess is not ready at all and not even willing to marry her betrothed? If the high priestess currently dies today, how long do we stay without a priestess waiting for Urena to come back to her senses? How long also will Adrian's shrine be vacant?
Well, if we can get the items for the rituals, there is no problem. We go ahead, do it. But I see it as almost impossible thing to do. In fact, I am even tired of that Urena girl. Her behavior.
Where then do we go in search of all these items? From my own point of view, these items must have gone into extinction.
Oh yes?
Due to the advent of technology and development for years now.
The only solution is getting Urenna to reason with her brain and not with her vagina, knowing fully that her gain is hidden in her brain.
So, what I want to find out is this. So, if you are not interested of getting married to Princess Abigail, what is all this rumor about?
I don't know. I'm even confused. I do not know. See, the straw we had was just once. Not absolutely nothing involved. No strings attached.
My guy, maybe to you, but not to her. You know how all this things works now. You should know that now.
See, who knows if Irena has heard it. I don't even allow me to see her.
You really do care about this girl. Eh? With all these stories surrounding your relationship.
See, I am still hoping that all of this turns out to be good for us. I mean, the universe should at least smile at us someday. Eh? This is what I'm praying for, so that we can get to spend the rest of our lives together.
My guy, let me ask you one important question. What if the universe did not smile at you? Do you have a plan B?
I don't have a plan B. My only plan for marriage is Urena.
Hey. Wait, which means our good princess has no chance at all.
Mama, the time is almost here. You must brace yourself for my absence and for the task ahead.
Mama, I never ready you. As I did like this, I did very confused. I did in a very dark spot like this. I'm not sure I don't ready for this thing. No.
If you tell yourself you are ready, you'll be ready.
What are you doing here?
I came to see you.
Okay, you don't see me, Abby. They go.
I don't understand. I should.
You say you never see me. Baba, I say Baba.
You don't know what is going on. I mean, why are you being so harsh towards me?
Why are you pretending? You think I never hear your gist? How you dey flirt around with that stupid princess when they call Abigail? You think I don't know?
Oh no, those are rumors. So how can you even believe that?
How many times did you come to the palace cell to visit me when I was locked up? You're busy flirting around with her. You don't send me.
No. You got it all wrong. I wasn't flirting with anyone. Believe me. See, I can explain.
Oh God, don't need your explanation. Come out for this place. Leave this place before I go do something where I go regret. Get out from here.
Hooray.
You dey mad. Come out for here. Oh God, come out here. I know they see your face. Why? I was told you with slippers.
Okay, kita jisi anyoko. We love you. Najidini sigi. The ways of the gods are quite different from our ways. Stop fighting, love. Stop fighting, love.
Hi, Nonso.
My princess, you know my name.
Who doesn't know you? The handsome betrothed to the next priestess of Ajan. Everybody knows you.
Thank you for the compliment.
You're welcome. Why not hop in? I would love to talk to you.
Okay.
Oh, Nonso. You know we both have a lot in common. We have people who don't love us in our lives, and we love them.
You're correct, my princess.
So I want us to help each other. You get what you want, I get what I want.
How do you mean? I don't get.
I want us to work as a team.
Okay.
You get your Urena, I get my Ahana.
That's a good one. Do you have a plan?
Of course I do. I won't come here if I don't have a plan.
Okay.
And don't tell me you have not cooked anything since morning and you are home. I am talking to you, Anne. Anne, what is your problem? Eh? Just because Furena broke up with you, you want to end your life. Some days now you have not paid attention to your work. And today you want to stab both of us to death? All this for a rascal girl. When a princess is craving your love. And why do you stampede that you will end up like this? What is your problem? My son, what is your problem? Look at your future. Being very straight, leading you to a paradise, and you want to die for a useless girl. What is your
Let me get you right. You mean she left this palace without your knowledge? Is that what you want?
My king, she didn't tell me she was going out today. I wasn't even aware she left the palace.
And she didn't even go with any of the guards. What if Urenna of a girl attack her again?
You dare not. Because I would not be lenient with her next time she does something like that. Is she not taking the call?
No, she's not taking the call. Igwe, please, I don't want anything to happen to my daughter. I don't want anything to happen to her. She's my only child. My only daughter. Isn't it? Please, you can go.
Priestess, how are you feeling today?
As you can see, getting closer to my ancestors.
Urenna, please sit down.
I want to stand. This is my house.
But nobody's dragging the house with you.
Chief Clement, let her be. If that's her choice, let's get down to why we are here.
This is why they say let's get down to why we are here. I hope it's not because of Nonso. This is why they say Nonso for here. I will not marry him if that's the reason why you are here.
Urenna, shut up your mouth. No.
Mama, if this meeting is about me getting married to Nonso, I am not interested. Period.
Urenna, we don't have all the time on earth to beat about the books with you. The time is almost at hand. You need to realize that you do not have as much choice as you do think.
Uri, Wanyoma, see, you need to face the facts. Okay, I promise I will take care of you till end of the world.
Nonso, you're a good man. You are handsome. But as for love, Mbanu, I cannot bring myself to love you. I'm already in love with somebody else.
Urenna, we are talking about something serious. The future of Ajo and his shrine, which is held sacred all over Isiala village and beyond. You don't understand it?
Uri, the man you are fighting for is not fighting for you. This young man has moved on with a princess. Oh, were you expecting him to marry you? You know if he tries such thing, he will be excommunicated from this village. Uri, please, be reasonable. You know I love you.
Greetings, Mom.
Where are you coming from?
I was feeling choked, so I went out to get some fresh air.
That's nonsense. Do you realize that you are the princess of Isiala Kingdom? And that anything can happen to you? Or someone can attack you just the way Uwena did?
Father, I was careful.
That is not good enough. Not enough. Next time you must go out, you must let us know. Especially when it has to be you alone. Is that clear?
Yes, Father.
That is an order. Before you leave this house anytime, any day, make sure you let us know.
But I'm not a child anymore. I'm an adult.
You are still that my precious little girl. I wouldn't want anything to happen to you. Please.
Okay, Mother. I'll be in my room.
I'm telling you the truth. I had nothing to do with Princess Abigail. She keeps coming to my house. And one time she came to my house and asked me to follow her on a stroll, which I did. Leslie, the same harmless one. I never knew she was using that to pass messages across. That was what gave birth to the rumors you heard.
So why didn't you come to visit me as you promised?
I did, Urena. I did. I came to that place twice, but I wasn't allowed to come in. The guards told me the king ordered no one should come and see you.
Liar! Liar from the pits of hell, because Nonson came to visit me 2 days before I was released.
Really?
Yes, now. He told me about all the nonsense you and Abigail have been doing, and my mother's ill health. If not, how would I have known?
This can only mean one thing. They were deliberately preventing me from coming to see you. Perhaps they just a ploy to separate both of us.
And I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't give you listening ears at first.
It's okay.
Please stand up.
Just get up.
Anna, my boo.
Thank you.
I missed you.
I miss you too. Thank you. Life has been hell for me these past days. How about your mother?
She's not getting any better. She doesn't want to get better. It's as if she has accepted her fate that her time has come. And now the pressure is on me to marry Nonso according to customs and tradition. I don't know what to do. Let's elope.
Elope? To where?
Let's leave this village and go somewhere else. Let's go very far from people. Get married and make babies.
This is actually not a good idea, you know. How about our families?
They don't care about us.
Okay, how about your mother? Are you going to leave her like that?
What do you want me to do? I don't want to marry Nonso. It's you I love and it's you I want to spend the rest of my life with.
If this plan of ours works, this whole loving and not being loved will be solved. We'll get what we want.
Yeah. I promise I won't disappoint you.
You won't, because if you do, you will suffer yourself.
Okay. I'll take my leave now.
Mom? What are you doing with Nonso? Nonso? Nothing. I was only trying to find out what is going on with him and Urena, that's all. Is it what it is, Abigail? Yes, Mommy. Are you sure? I'm sure. Alright, in that case, I was beginning to miss you so much. Okay. So, can you come keep your mommy company? Why not, really? Of course. I will be pleased to do that. Let's go.
Who has the guts to commit this abomination in Isiala village? Who?
This is first of its kind in this village. Who have such guts? I propose a thorough search of all the houses in our village.
What if the thief has already made it outside, out of this village?
Are you sure this is not Urena's doing? So that she can further delay her marriage to Nonso? Remember, she's the first person that noticed that Ajua's head is missing.
Clement, you are right. Oh, that girl is capable of anything. Yes.
There will be a thorough search of every house in Isiala village. Every boundary in and out must be blocked. It must be blocked until the search is over. If it means employing extra hands from neighboring village, so shall it be.
Your Majesty, when does this search commence? Exactly, let us know.
The search starts now.
What is Isiala village turning into? Someone summoned courage to enter into the shrine of Isiala. Still the Ajuan ahead. What an abomination. I've never heard of this before. What is going on? Huh? One guy. You check me. Am I serious?
Yes. I just want to inform you of what is happening in this village. Maybe you are aware Maybe you are not. But for your information, actually head is missing. And the king has ordered that every house in this village must be searched. Every nook and cranny of this village must be searched until the head is found and the teeth cut.
Okay. Anyway, I'm aware that Adjuani's head is missing. And I'm totally in support of the search. So you are free to search my place.
Alright. Alright. You. Wait. Can you come and enjoy it? Thank you very much. Enjoy your meal.
Even before you entered, I was discussing to myself as to why such things should happen in this village. I've never heard of this kind of abomination. That Adjuana's head is missing. That is real abomination.
Oh yes. Yes.
May the gods forbid. What is this? What is this?
Midas.
What is Adjuani's head doing in your house?
I don't have answer to this question. I don't know. I didn't bring anything.
Where is your son, Ahanna?
My son, Ahanna. I think Ahanna. Ahanna should be in Urena's house.
You take him to the palace.
What?
Yeah?
Move it here.
Are you?
My hands are clean. My hands are clean.
Move it.
I didn't do anything. I don't know anything about it.
You call the other guys to come and join us to arrest Ahanna wherever he is.
Greetings, my elders. What's going on here?
Adjuani says they've been found.
That is good news.
Yes, good news indeed. But the bad news is this. It has been found in your own house.
In my house? No. There's a mix-up somewhere. You cannot be found.
We are here to arrest you. Your father is already on his way to the palace.
No. My elders, you know me. I cannot commit such an atrocity. No, I cannot do that in my house.
As I said earlier, Ahanna, your father is already on his way to the palace. Guys, move him.
Please, no, please don't do this.
Move! Move somewhere! It's cannot be found in my house now! No!
Mama, thank God you are awake. What is happening? Mama, it's the palace guards. They came and took Ahanna away. That they saw Adjuani's head in his house. That he or his father stole it. No, not him. Mama, what are you talking about?
You know the head of Adjuani just found itself in your room.
I swear on the grave of our ancestors, I do not know what all this is all about.
Father, please.
This man committed a great sacrilege, and so he does not want your sympathy.
Your Majesty, please. You need to believe me. I don't know how Ajani's head got to my house. Please, I beg you, please. I am innocent.
Now your father is in the palace cell because he maintained that he does not know how the head of Ajani found its way to his house, which is also your house. God, Your Highness. Take him.
Hey, shut up. Your Highness, he's innocent. He's innocent, oh. My boyfriend is innocent. He did not see the Ajani's head. He's innocent. I have a witness.
This is not time for you to play a love game with Yahanna. We are in a serious matter. Huh? Stop that!
Please, my mother, the priestess, is a witness. She saw the person that stole the Ajani's head. Please. Huh? Yes. Huh?
You mean Monso stole the head of Ajani?
From my divination, before coming to this place, I discovered that Monso did not walk alone. He has accomplices. And those accomplices you check Clement. Some of them is Princess.
Hey! She's lying. Daddy, she's sick. She doesn't know what she's saying. You don't know what you're saying. You're sick.
Are you willing to swear before Ajani's shrine? Are you?
You? Yes, I did it. But I did it for love. Daddy, she has somebody protected to her already. Why don't you go for him? Why are you going for Hannah? He doesn't suit your status. You didn't go to school. Hannah, I did it for us. I did it for long. Yes. Why are you looking at me like that? I did it for us. Daddy, I love Hannah so much. She's not supposed to be in Hannah's life. She had somebody already. Urena, you have somebody already. Daddy, please, I'm sorry. Princess, why?
Oh.
Guards,
Your Highness.
take them to the palace cell.
Yes, Your Highness.
They shall remain there until we are done with the investigation. And as for Nonso is hereby banished from this kingdom.
Okay, you're taking your daughter to the...
Let's go.
Will you get your daughter? Let's go. Don't do it!
Okay, kita jisi anyoko, we love her. Ajidi nisigi. The ways of the gods are quite different from our
That's the one. Our high priestess. That's the one. We want to appreciate you for honoring this meeting.
Yes, but it has to be brief. I do not wish to stay out for too long.
Sure, it's going to be brief. We want to know the way forward. Now that Nonso is no more capable of handling any statutory office.
We already know the way forward. According to our tradition, should a betrothed of a high priestess dies or become unworthy, or should a husband of a high priestess die or become unworthy to continue being her husband, the high priestess have the right to choose another partner for herself. Only her deserves that right to do so. Is that not our tradition?
It is. You are right. It's true.
In other words, Urenna sitting here must pick another partner of her own choice by herself. Okay?
Exactly. Urenna.
Mama.
Mama, you now have the right to choose for yourself who you will marry.
Urenna, I think we know who that partner is.
Ahana, of course. Go to Ahana. Tell him to bring his people to come and ask for your hands in marriage.
Hey! Hey! Mama, thank you. God bless you for me, elders of our land. Thank you so much. You're my husband, though. God has done it so.
It's a lie.
Yes, so. Yes, so. I cannot choose anyone I want. And I choose you. I love you. I love you too.
Her life is full of determination and the lover. Onya Puchipana Yesia. Makoni Wabiwe. She believes in herself. Heart of Rasta. She is ready to do anything. Anything just to make her love moving. Okay, man. Urenna, heart of a rascal. The heart of a rascal. She don't send you. She don't send your papa. Anyhow you want her, she go give you. Urenna, don't send anybody. The heart of a rascal. She don't send you. She don't send your papa. She don't send your papa. Anyhow you want her, she go give you. Urenna. The heart of a rascal. She don't send you. She don't send your papa. Anyhow you want her, she go give you. She not the hear word at all. The heart of a rascal. She no send you, she no send your papa. Anyhow you want her, she go give you. She no use her love to play. Urena, no they use her love to play. She sacrificed everything for this love. She sacrificed everything for her love. Anybody welcome closer to her lover is a suspense and must collect beating with immediate effect. Urena mo. Urena, beautiful souls, but her life is full of determination and the love. Onya puchipana yesiya, makoni will be where she believe in herself. Heart of Rasta, she is ready to do anything, anything just to make her love moving. Again, Urena, heart of a Rasta.